morning, viewers. Welcome to Women Now. Today, we first go to behind the scenes at TiECon and find out what it takes to put this huge entrepreneurial conference together. Then, we are going to talk to Kokila about beauty workshop and what your skin needs right now. After that, we are going to talk to Pratham Gela and find out what it takes to educate kids in India. Don't go anywhere. This and more Women Now starts right here.
Now, today we will be talking with two professionals directly linked to TiECon. One is Raj Desai. He's the executive director of TiECon itself. And we will talk to Tasmin Singh, who is a volunteer with TiECon. Raj, welcome to Women Now. Tell me, you co-founded TiECon about 2 decades ago? You must be really proud today. Tell us how much it has grown since.
Sure. No, I mean, I certainly was part of the team that pulled together the first conference. The co-founders had started meeting much earlier than that.
Did you start as a volunteer then?
I did. Yes, I was a volunteer. And I think what inspired me to really join the group was their whole notion of wanting to get together to share their story, to inspire others. And I thought that was just a unique idea, coming from Africa for myself, England, and then coming here and finding these first generation Indian entrepreneurs that just wanted to, ensure that the new immigrants were going to be helped in ways that they did not have that help was really something that inspired me to volunteer and help put together the first conference.
We can see that it's paid off since its inception. It's grown tremendously so far. Where do you see it go from here?
Well, in the early days, there was absolutely no concept or notion or even the wild dream of going global. It was very much a Silicon Valley culture, sharing, caring, and inspiring others here in the Valley. But as Silicon Valley is center of innovation, lots of people come visit on a regular basis. They saw what Thai was doing. As a result, they found the model very unique, and it is very unique. It still stands today in its uniqueness. Others have tried to emulate, but with our concept of charter members, mentoring, and basically hosting of events where sharing of stories take place, it has really inspired others from other parts of the world to start similar organizations under the Thai banner.
Well, that's great to know. Thanks for joining us today. And Tasmin, tell me, how did you get involved with Thai?
So I've grown up in Silicon Valley, and so, I think entrepreneurship is something that's sort of in your blood when you grow up around here. And my family's been involved in Thai for a very long time, so I kind of got dragged into it, but I'm really glad that I've gotten a chance to get involved with the Thai family. I've been going to TiECon for about 3 years now. This is my third one, and I recently graduated from college, so it's been really nice to come back to the Bay Area and sort of have that Thai family here, especially as I'm embarking on the beginning of my career. There's so many great people here to talk to in pretty much any industry in technology that you would want to know more about. And everyone really does want to help you, as Raj had mentioned. It's a completely volunteer organization, and I think that's what makes it even more amazing.
So personally and professionally, how has it helped you?
So I think it kind of goes back to what I was saying a little earlier with having a great network of mentors. And on top of that, Thai Silicon Valley especially, we put on a lot of events so that you know what's going on in the industry, right? And even if someone was looking to make a move and they didn't really know much about a particular industry, because there are so many panels that are hosted by people who are really experts in those fields or have recently gained a lot of success in those fields, you have people who can guide you not only on the entrepreneurship part, but then also with learning about a specific topic. I think TiECon is really going to be great in terms of inspiring people, being a great place for people to network and learn more about it, and then really decide if their idea is really something that's worth pursuing right now. And I think a lot of people will find that there are so many ways to improve the ideas they're already working on.
Okay, thanks for joining us today on Women Now.
Coming up next,
I've heard about this MGT by Kinjini in your website, but I don't really understand what it is.
You're watching America's first South Asian TV talk show. Don't go away. Women Now will be right back.
Welcome back, viewers. We are very excited to be here at Kinjini Studio with Kokila. You're going to tell us all about skin types and how we can take care of our skin in the right way, because everyone has different skin. Some have dry, some have oily, some young skin, some mature skin. So how do each one of us do that little thing to make sure that we are doing the right thing for our skin? And we are going to have questions from our audience over here, and you're going to take those questions and answer, and we'll find solutions for everyone.
Definitely.
Tell me more about what we have today.
Today, first let me welcome you all here again in our studio. And I have a lot to share today with you because as you know, our skincare line is very natural based, and day to day working with people, we have customized our line for the need of today's fast living women, men, and even children.
So let's get started and find out if anyone has any questions for you today.
Oh,
We'll
I'll
start
be-
with Sejal.
So I went on your website and I heard about the young and combination skin. So what is that about?
Thanks for your question, Sejal. And Young in Combination is really good to learn because you're growing up and you have to make up beauty as a habit and learn the procedure how to look after the skin, just like taking a shower or brushing your teeth. So we have designed Young in Combination, a very simple regimen for you to follow, which has a aloe vera cleansing gel, which you do it every day, meaning you wash your face nicely every day and you need to moisturize. That's the need of the skin. So you must do that, and once a week you need to exfoliate, or excess oil or dead skin you need to remove, so your skin remains intact and you're growing up. Routine remains the same, but your product may change a little bit here and there.
I've heard about this MGT by Kinjini in your website, but I don't really understand what it is. So can you please let me know about that?
It's for the women who has a life to go, always on the move, on the go. So what we design is a magnetic glowing treatment. It's a 10 minutes Insta facial, and the whole purpose of designing this is doing a facial regularly, professionally, once a month. That's what we recommend. This is scientifically, skin needs that. So in between your facial treatments, you need something to look after to keep the skin glowing. This is 10 minutes once a week you do it. It has a lot of natural oils, Mediterranean mud. It's designed for men and women both, and it improves your fine pores. It improves your skin appearance totally. It takes care of the brown spots and it keeps your skin rejuvenated, glowing.
I usually have a normal sensitive skin, but there are times when acne pops out. So just want to know, is it because of stress? Is it because of the weather? And I did go to your website, so I just wanted to know how actually I can control the pop-outs when, especially during the summertime.
Thanks for your question, Sonam. What question you have, I hear a lot during summertime. So let me give you a little information on acne. There are teen acne, we have heard about it. There are adult acne, there are summer acne, there are the kids acne, the baby acne we call it. Everything has a reason for it. And looking at your skin so beautiful, if you go through the summer acne, it has a reason. Maybe you're swimming, going out in the ocean or somewhere salty water, salty environment, that can also cause that. So during summer, I do get a lot of customers, and mainly end of the summer, they come out with acne by using those sun protection factor, which is healthy, but you need to use only once in the morning between 9 to 3 when you're stepping out. So there's a method of learning that. And we do have design acne kit for even customer like you who can just use during that time when you think it's popping out.
So before I came to US, I had a normal skin. And I don't have breakouts or anything ever. But what I noticed after coming to US, my skin is very dry and it gets very itchy, and I have gone to the doctor, I've done hydrocortisone 1% cream and everything, and it kind of just contains it just at that moment, but then season changes, weather changes, it comes back again. So if you can tell me what I can do about that.
Thank you for your question, Umaji. I do understand dry skin is a problem, and especially when we leave our humid environment from India to here, we do face that a lot. So I have designed that dry skin solution, and it's amazing. It has aloe vera cleansing gel. It has veg peeling cream, and veg peeling cream really works miracle. You have to just apply on the dry area and roll it out, and follow with the soft firming cream, which is a good moisture, good collagen, and keeps you moist and soft and glowy all the time.
Hi Kokila. I've actually never really had a problem with my skin, but recently I've been noticing some fine lines, especially around the eyes, on the forehead, and the laughter lines. And I would really like to try something natural. I've been advised by some people that, maybe Botox or fillers, but I don't want to even go there. So something on that lines would be very helpful for me.
Thanks for your question, Namita. I love your smile and your beauty both. And I do see your concern on fine lines, which is, I think we all are going through that once in life. Starts that alarm for us. Okay, what is next? So working with customers for so many years, I thought this is very much in need as an age-defying kit. So preventive, kit is there. It contains a resurfacing puree, which, as I just let you see that last time, contains the pineapple and pumpkin enzyme, and that helps to keep the lines away. As we age, the skin kind of enlarges, pores gets more larger, so it shrinks the pores too. That's the best thing about the resurfacing puree. Then follow with your tightening mask, and that has a green plant extract and lactic acid, right? We have tried that.
And I love the tightening mask because all ages can use it. Sometimes I have days when I come from work or job, anything, I just put that on. So it works for 30 plus ages, 40 plus 50 ages.
It works miracle.
And followed with the serum.
Age-defying serum.
Age-defying serum. I love that all my customers that I've tried on basically coming back to me. And like I said, there's a lot of teenagers that also have fine lines, so I don't think it's specifically for old people or mature skin. You can just add to any serum before you moisturize.
It just works as a nutrition. So it is a peptide. When the collagen, especially our age group, when the collagen slows down, the production of collagen slows down, you just add the dropwise morning and evening, and it helps you to boost up and keeps you that fresh and energetic whole day long.
So let me ask you, your skin looks very beautiful, glowing, but I see some makeup on it. So for people like us who have to be on camera or at places looking good all the time, what do you do to take out all your makeup and then to take care of the skin thereafter?
As every day we have to work, I have to put makeup on. I'm a makeup person. But having your everyday cleanser with AM and PM, that's really good. But once I realized I really need to do a deep exfoliant. So I love our veg peeling exfoliant. It's a gentle peel, you roll it out, and it's not really harsh on your skin. Then once a week, I also follow the resurfacing puree mask. I love that mask because if I know I'm going out tonight, I have to put that because it gives you that glowy skin. You're ready to party.
And right away, right after you put I think I tried that, and once you wash off that mask, it's all of a sudden your skin looks very different, right?
Rested. It looks very rested.
And we didn't talk about that oil. That is such a handy oil, the nourishing oil. If you can't find the lotion handy around you, you can just put a couple of drops of that oil.
I think it replaces the body lotions. It replaces the body lotions.
Right. And it smells terrific. So,
and it lasts you whole day. When you apply once in the morning, your skin remains moist for the rest of the day.
Right. This is amazing. But thank you so much. We'd love coming back again. And thank you, audience, for discussing your skin problems on camera. A lot of people may think that's taboo.
Conscious,
yeah. Thank you so much. And thank you, viewers, for being with us here today at Kokila's and Kinjini's studio here in downtown Sunnyvale. If you have any questions, feel free to write to Kokila. You can write to us at info@womennow.tv and we'll pass your question on to her. And you can come here or drop by and see her if you want to. This is Kokila at 1645 Hollenbeck Avenue right here in downtown Sunnyvale. We'll look forward to seeing you here soon. Coming up next,
जो तुम तोड़ो पिया मैं नाही तोड़ू तो सुप्रीत तोड़ कौन संग जोड़ू.
You're watching America's first South Asian TV talk show. Don't go away. Women Now will be right back.
Today, we are reporting to you directly from ICC in Milpitas. Who doesn't know ICC? And today, we are at an event called Swar Sanjeevani.
So we're having, there's a lady by the name of Swar Sanjeevani. She's coming and presenting her music. She's the first time ever winner of Saregama. And she's presenting her music to all who want to come and supporting ECHL. And she's presenting it on behalf of ECHL. And Ekal Vidyalaya is a non-profit organization. We build schools in the tribal villages and rural villages. We promote literacy and human hygiene and various other aspects that the children can be brought up with and learn, so they are instilled with the good values also.
But 16 years ago rose a new sun in the lives of these Vanvasis. A revolution that brought alive the dying hopes. A revolution called Ekal Vidyalaya, with a mission: one village, one school, one teacher.
Tell us the concept behind Ekal Vidyalaya. Why did you start it? Wasn't it in December of '99 that you planned it?
Yes, at that time, a group of people had come from India, and then we were talking, and they just mentioned me that there is a such thing as Ekal Vidyalaya also in India, which is to promote literacy in the remote and tribal villages of India. And the moment I heard about literacy program, I got very excited, and I said, yes, this is the program. We should start it here also. And they said, yes, there are over 100,000 such villages in India, because this is in remote tribal villages. People don't even know such villages exist because there are no roads, no electricity, no running water. So then I said, yes, we can do that, no? So at that time, they were close to 1,250.
Now, when you say remote villages, do you focus on certain villages, or is it spread all across India?
It is all over India, from Himalaya to Kanyakumari, from Kashmir to everything. We have 1,950 schools in Kashmir.
For children, this mission brought into light the importance of education, showing them the way to life.
Okay, guys, do you remember the very first winner of Saregama? It was none other than Sanjeevani Bilande. Other than playback singing, she's a poet, she's an author, and she's a music director, which is fantastic. And best of all, she's here with us today, so let's go do a little bit of chit-chat.
Women Now TV को मेरा बहुत-बहुत नमस्कार, and I'm very happy to be on this show.
That's wonderful. So tell us, there are so many different organizations, charitable organizations. What made you choose Ekal Foundation?
Well, Ekal chose me, and education is a cause that is very close to my heart. I come from a family of academicians. My parents...
Your parents are professors, aren't they?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. And the country we come from is a land of spiritual learning, जहाँ विद्यादान होता है, गुरु शिष्य परंपरा है. So it's very natural that, I am associated with Ekal.
A gradual change was brought into the lives of these Vanvasis, and today, Ekal has reached them to new heights.
Before we let you go, you have to give us a couple of lines, maybe from your favorite song.
I'll sing from my album. मीरा बहुत सुंदर लिखती है. जो तुम तोड़ो पिया मैं ना ही तोड़ूं, तो सुप्रीत तोड़ कौन संग जोड़ूं, कौन संग जोड़ूं. Even if you break off, honey, I will not. तो सुप्रीत तोड़ कौन संग जोड़ूं, कौन संग जोड़ूं. If you were a tree, I'd be a birdie. If you were the sea, a fish I would be. तुम भये तरुवर मैं भई पंछिया, तुम भये सरोवर मैं तेरी मछिया. जो तुम तोड़ो पिया मैं ना ही तोड़ूं. Even if you break off, honey, I will not. तो सुप्रीत तोड़ कौन संग जोड़ूं, कौन संग जोड़ूं. I won't tie the knot.
Nothing is better than having fun and helping people at the same time. I hope you had a good time today with us. Until next time, stay safe and have a great weekend.